Hello friends, here are some important environment current affairs MCQs for upcoming BPSC. Question number 1, according to the Copernicus Climate Change Service, what marked 2024's global temperature? A, warmest year at plus 1.6 centigrade above pre-industrial levels. B, coldest year since 1850. C, exactly at Paris Agreement 1.5 C target, centigrade target. No notable change. Answer is A. Warmest year at plus 1.6 centigrade above pre-industrial levels. 2024 became the warmest year on the record since 1850, reaching 1.6 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, surpassing the Paris Agreement threshold minus 8. Question number Paris Agreement threshold. Question number A second. What crucial marine temperature trend was identified in recent climate studies? A, marine heat wave intensity decreased. B, rate of warming quadrupled. 1985 to 89 versus 2019 to 23. C, no change detected. D, sea surface temperatures cooling globally. Answer is B, rate of warming quadrupled. 1985 to 89 versus 2019 to 23. The rate of sea surface temperature increase rose from 0.06 K per decade in 1985-89 to 0.27 K per decade in 2019-23, a more than fourfold increase. So it is quite more than the previous year. Question number 3, what did recent studies reveal regarding the Arctic carbon dynamics? A, it is an improving carbon sink. B, 30% has become a net CO2 source. C, no change in carbon absorption. D, fully carbon neutral since 2020. Answer is B, become a net CO2 source. A recent study highlighted that at least 30% of the Arctic now emits more CO2 than it absorbs, signaling a concerning reversal in its carbon balance. Next question about the Arctic retreat. Which recent trend was reported? A, consistent